Hello and welcome to the Basic IT videos. This is Amr Bakkar and today I'm going to talk about using Gmail account on your computer. Because this is my computer, I have already my email saved. You put your email and the password. Okay, so this is the main layout or the main page. And this is kinda your control panel. And this is my inbox. All of my emails I receive are here, as it is highlighted here. Okay, so here I can find all of my emails that I have sent, all of them here. And if I want to respond to this email, I click reply and write my email then. If you want to send an email to somebody, you click on compose and then write the person's email that you want or you intend to send this email to. And here you write the email, for example, hi Irene, I hope you are good. And also, if you want to attach something to the email, it could be an image, video, or a file, click on this icon and then choose from your computer. Also, if you need to forward certain email to somebody, you click on here and then write your email. And that is it for today. Thank you very much and hope you get the most out of this video.